So hi guys, I hope all you're fine. So today is the last day, I mean seventh day. So today I want to say you that uh, you are waiting for this video because you want to see that how much you change this in a week. So firstly I want to say you that English speaking is an very interesting because this is not 10 days or 15 days 15 days practice you learn more, because you learn more, but the fluency comes uh, after a period of time. That means if you learn daily and with a consistency and uh, all the rules you follow, like reading, listening, speaking, and writing. But in this time, when you listen more and speak more, then the fluency comes really more, because when you listen more then you gain more, and when you gain more then you speak more, and when you speak more then you make mistake more. But when you make mistake more, then you learn something more, and when you learn something more, then you uh, start speaking. I mean, on that time when you mistakes more, then you learn more, because making mistake is a good thing, but uh, these mistakes don't repeat. Once you make mistake and learn on that mistake, and after that when you learn mistake, then to be serious on that time when you mistakes and learn on that, and don't make any time on this on these mistakes, because learning is very important in English. So I want to say you that this is the seventh day, and if you want to become a fluent in English, then you should also learn regular and listen more and speak more. But how can you listen more and speak more? You should watch YouTube videos, native English or Indian speakers who speaks English. Or if you want to learn more advanced, then you should watch native English or Hollywood movies in English with subtitle. First you should subtitles, watch in a subtitle, and after that when you regular practice listening and and speak more, because when you speak, so how can you speak? Because you should speak in your friends, or if you don't have friends, then many apps in the Play Store, you should install it and start practicing to how to speak English. On that time you make mistakes more, I know, but on that time when you mistake more, then you should learn more. So this sound creates a lot of problem, but there is no any condition. So keep watching this video, because there is I have no any other option to make this, make to other area video. So guys, I want to say you that don't be shy to speak English, because in Indian cultural all the peoples are shy to speak in front of other people, because they know that other people say they are Englishers. So guys, I want to say you don't be shy in other person. You should if you want to become a fluent in English, and if you want to really to speak English, then you should don't shy and speak English with a confident.